Hello everybody, and in this video I'll be opening this Honor Band 9. Where is the lighting? Oh, that's much more better. Okay, so this is my birthday gift, my 16th birthday gift. I got this Honor Band 9 from Honor. Oh crap, there's a freaking bird outside. I'm sorry. Okay, so for some reason the packaging is in Chinese. I'm not really sure why, but you can see back here, it just says AMOLED screen with 1.57 inch health recognition, I guess. Yeah, it's all in Chinese. I don't know why. Let me just open this real quick. So this is the whole box we got. It's very compact. This is everything we got. I don't think there's. Yep, it's empty. Let me just take out this thing first. Yes, this is the watch that we got. It looks it looks clean, very clean. I think this is, how do you open this thing? How do you open this thing? Is it? Oh, it's from the side. It's kind of cool. Okay, we got the charger, and I think this is just the manual. Is it in Chinese or is it in English? Wait, what? It's so small. Wait, hold up. That's kind of solid. This is everything we got. Yeah, that's all. Wow, crazy. Okay. And it's all in Chinese or Mandarin or any, I don't know. Yep, it's all in Chinese. I can understand. I don't know any Chinese, but we got this. So it's kind of weird, but like when the package arrived outside my door, this is what it came in. Really, this is what it came in. The box and the manual outside the box, but this is in English. In English, so it's now I can finally understand. I can finally understand everything. I really understand how to wear my band properly. Comes in like it's normal. It's decent. How do you open this? All of that, we got it open, and this is the band. Oh my! Wait, what? Oh my god! Wait, does it look the same? Wait. I mean, yeah, of course. I mean, the build quality looks amazing. Okay, right. I mean, yeah, it's in blue. It's like in like baby blue, almost like that. Let me just open my old watch real quick. And yeah, I mean the color. I mean this one's kind of yellow now. But I kind of like this baby blue. Is it baby blue? I mean, it says blue, but in the packaging it looks kind of like greenish, maybe. This is it. This is the whole watch. Let me just open it real quick. Wait, how do you open it? There's no button. Yeah. Wait, how do you open the watch? Okay, now I successfully opened the watch, and it's in Chinese. Okay, this is it. I think this is Mandarin, English. Yeah, it's Russian. There's Russian. Where's Japanese? Where's Japanese? Where's Nihon? Yeah, there you go. That's Nihon. Okay, just open. Okay, let me just pick English real quick. English. Nope. English. English. Okay. Install the. Well, I guess I have to install the app first. Let me just open my phone real quick. Hold up. Let me just open my phone real quick. Gotta install the Honor Health app, I guess. Let me just install that. There you go. It's installing. Let's wait. Right, it's successfully installed now, I guess. Click the agree button right here and agree. Okay, this is it. This is everything. Do it. Oh, you need to scan. Oh, devices. Oh, okay, I get it. Okay. Oh, I need to log into Honor. Okay, I never did an Honor account before. This is my I guess I have to put it in. Okay, now what? Can I scan? Should I scan? Scanning for the device. It's right here, ma'am. Oh. Yep, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the name. Guess just put it next and oh. Yep. What? Yes, sure. The Chinese government gonna steal my phone or something? Okay, go. There's so many like stuff. Like every time I exit, it just pops a new notification. Am I done? Am I done? Can I actually wear it now, please? Let's just put it in my watch real quick. Just put it here. Hopefully the screen is not broken. There's no screen protector, I think. Oh wow, that's so quick. I just opened it and now there's an update. It looks kind of flimsy, like it feels soft, you know. Oh, okay, good. I think there's a stupid update right now. What, it's gonna update now? Is it really gonna update right now? Oh wow, it's updating. It's updating. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's disconnected. Oh wow.
All my fellas.
Okay, it just finished update. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Okay. This basic stuff. Basic stuff. Let me just zoom in so you guys can really see. Real good. Real good. Okay, we got everything. We got music, weather, updating everything. Check the location. Okay. We got Alipay. Wait, what is Alipay? What? I don't need Alipay. Oh, Weixin Pay. What is that? Twitch. Okay, basic. Go away. Oh, this is better. Oh, this is much more better. Okay, settings. Watch face. Ah, okay, there you go. This is the fun part. This is the fun part. I like this part. There's so many like options here. I think this is original. This is cool. Kinda cool. There's so many clock faces in the gallery right here. Very very interesting. I kinda like this one. Okay, understandable. Guess I can change the watch face, the gallery. How do you change the gallery one? Open up. Whoop. Battery settings, flashlight, screen on for 5 minutes. What's this? Oh, find phone. Oh, what do we do it? What happens if I? Ah, okay. Thank you, sir. Alarm. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, alarm. I don't think I need my phone now, cause you know I go to college. I have no phone, and I can only use this watch. Then I guess this is good. This is just like a watch. This is just like a phone. Photos from selected photos. Guess I click this. Oh, it's kind of laggy. Okay, let me just. Okay, so I got this picture of the wallpaper from the iMac machine. Something. Let me just pick this section. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just taking. Okay, cool. What style? Okay, this is the style. Can I at least change the color? No. Okay, fine. I mean, they look kind of ugly unless you know how to like make the background the same color. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see real quick. Okay, understandable. Okay. All right. I kind of like this one. Is it update? I mean, what am I doing? I'm just gonna pick the. Let's try the yellow one. I don't know. Yes. Uploading. Oh, it's loading. Oh my god. What? Let me just see it in action. Let's see it in action. Like, oh my god, that looks so gorgeous. I kind of like that. Oh, now it's gone. Okay, that's cool. Well, I think that's everything I need to know. I don't think I need anything. Oh, the music. Hold up, let me try the music feature. Okay, we got my music here. Guys, we play it from my phone. Let me just pick a music real quick on my phone. Okay, I got my music plate here. So I believe there's no speaker here. I mean, duh. Unless there's like Bluetooth, which I have on my AirPods here. Okay. I mean, I got my earphones here. They're kind of in poor shape right now, but can I put this on Bluetooth? Is there Bluetooth here? I mean the packaging set there is like Bluetooth, right? Yeah, over here. What is this, Bluetooth? Unless it's like Bluetooth for the phone to my watch. Guess yeah, that's everything. I guess there's like nothing else to explore. The weather here looks. Oh, that's my location. I'm sorry. Let me just close that real quick. It feels comfy. I mean, the software is. It's not bad because it's new. This is my first smartwatch, okay? So it's good. I am very grateful I got this. Except for like the notch down here, which is kind of funny. Not gonna lie. Unless I change the background to black like this one, it looks cool. Just like what the packaging shows. Yeah, this is probably everything. I'm very excited to have fun with this watch. Whenever I am at college, at home, everywhere I want. Also, the build quality is kind of cool. I like this. I like this build quality. It's very clean. It's very minimalistic. There's no buttons, which is crazy. Kind of looks like the Xiaomi band, but not really. And yeah, that's everything for the unboxing video. So guys, this is it. This is the end of the video. So you can go out now, or you can leave a like and subscribe if you want to help me out on, I don't know, reaching 1K. Even though this is like my third channel or my second, I don't know. Please subscribe to my main channel. Even though I'm like dead right now, which I have the ability to talk for some reason. But that's all for the unboxing video. Please enjoy the video. Yeah, thank you, bye.